If your car has a diesel engine, it can run on biodiesel fuel, usually without requiring any modifications. While biodiesel and petroleum diesel are similar in energy efficiency and fuel economy, biodiesel is more eco-friendly for starters. It can be made from what would otherwise have been waste, for example from vegetable oil of your local fast food joint. The restaurant simply discard the used fryer oil. The current oil contains water and food particles, making it unusable for biodiesel production. They are transported into a filtering plant. There, they pump the oil into a holding tank, then heat it up to dry out the water. Once they drain out all the water, the oil is ready to enter a multi-stage filtering process. The oil goes through the leaf filter or centrifuge that strain out the larger and smaller pieces of debris. The oil will be cleaner but still contains microscopic debris. Therefore, further stage of filtration is being done to remove smaller particles. So, before I proceed to the next process, I want you guys to know that whether it is vegetable oil or other sources of oil, biodiesel producers refer this as feedstock. The oil that are being cleaned is now ready to enter the next stage, which is acid treatment. The process is relatively simple. First, we want to make sure our feedstock is suitable for making quality biodiesel. That means we want the oil with a low free fatty acid. I will call it as FFA. The more FFA in a biodiesel, the more acid catalyst we must use, and the more unwanted soap will be formed in the finished biodiesel. To solve these problems, an acid treatment is being carried out. The acid catalyst we will be using is sulfuric acid. Now, methanol, which is a type of alcohol, in the presence of this acid catalyst, is added to the oil to convert FFA to esters. This process will be repeated until the FFA content in the feed is less than 1%. The stream leaving the pre-treatment sector composed of wastewater, methanol, biodiesel, triglycerides and unreacted FFA. Before they enter the reactor, water is removed and sent to wastewater treatment facility, while the methanol will be recycled back to pre-treatment sector and also to the main reactor. This can be done by putting two sections of membrane filtration. One is after the pre-treatment sector to remove wastewater and methanol to pre-treatment sector, and another is after the main reactor to recycle methanol for main reactor. Now, the production of biodiesel recipe comes. We do that through a chemical reaction called transaccharification. We take the feedstock and combine it with methanol as well as a base catalyst, which triggers a chemical reaction. This reaction involves heating and agitation. The chemical reaction also results in biodiesel, glycerin, and excess methanol. Then, we remove even more in post-treatment sector to meet international standard. The excess methanol I mentioned just now will be recovered and recycled back. Now, here comes the last stage. It is a time to remove glycerin from our products. After letting the products settle for a period of time, the heavier glycerin will settle to the bottom. Then, we drain off the glycerin from the products. The remaining liquid now is biodiesel. Although biodiesel costs more at the pump, but it actually emits significantly less carbon dioxide and 85% fewer cancer-causing agents into the air we breathe. So we are encouraged to use biodiesel instead of other types of petrol. Thanks for listening and hope you enjoy it. Thank you.